Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Yeah, I'm currently watching if XRP could have formed already a low in this wave 4 here with the wave 5 to come. At the moment, I don't have any strong evidence. I did mark out in the last video what I would need to see as an absolute minimum to consider that a lasting low has been established here on the 25th of July at around, where were we, 67.6 cents, yeah. I would need to see a 5-wave move up as indicated here. At the moment, I only have 3 waves up, okay? And even those 3 are not very reliable. I would actually prefer to have it like that and that the 3rd wave hasn't even completed yet. But, you know, I would rather give it the benefit of the doubt. So I labeled it as already wave 3 complete, but then I haven't got a wave 5 yet. So we don't have 5 waves up. I need to see 5 waves to at least have an indication that XRP has formed the lasting low here. So yesterday XRP did slowly move up, did slowly grind up in slow motion, while many other coins did slowly grind down. Not much exciting stuff happening here. It is still in the support area. You know from previous videos that the relevant Fibonacci support for this wave count, in which a wave 5 can still happen, the relevant pivot point is 66 cents. So as long as we're above that level, I think it has a chance to rally higher in a 5th wave of the C wave of larger wave 3. So one more high should happen in this wave count, but it needs to hold the 66 cent level. And that's why I've put here on the micro chart what needs to happen for us to consider that a low is in place. So I need to see those 5 waves up, and then we can look at support for a 3-wave pullback afterwards. But as long as we're having 5 waves up, we can say, okay, the trend might have shifted to the upside. So the 3-wave pullback should be next, and it should be a higher low, and it could be a smaller trade setup to the upside. Okay, so if we get those 5 up, which again hasn't happened yet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we can look at, okay, this might be a wave 1. Let's see if we get a wave 2, ABC in a wave 2, and from here we could then trade the 3rd wave rally higher. At the moment, though, again, there is no indication that we've got that already complete, those 5 waves. So again, this is what we need to see. At least a break above 73.3 cents would be needed, a sustained break ideally. And then at some point it could break down. And if it's making a higher low, we've got our setup for higher. This is more for the Degans out there. Yeah, more a Degan trade. I don't think this is a very super reliable setup, especially because it should really give us only one more wave up in a wave 5 of C of 3 before we get into a larger and longer correction. So reward to risk ratio here is probably not the best. That always depends on your own perspective. It depends on your position size as well, and it depends on your strategy. But you know, when we deal with Elliott Wave, we're always looking for a 3rd wave rally trade. There is no 3rd wave rally here. It's basically the 5th wave that we're looking for, okay, at the moment. And yeah, typically you can get exhaustion here. It's a difficult one. The 3rd wave trades are usually the best ones, also the ones with the best reward to risk ratio. Now, where should that 5th wave go? It should go at least above the 3rd wave high. So we talk here about at least above 95 cents. But of course, as I've just explained, there is no guarantee that a low is already in. So if it makes one more low, there's a significant risk it will break the 66 cent level. And if it's breaking below the 66 cent level, then we are morphing into a different wave count, and we have to say, okay, that probably circle wave 3 here was already complete, and that we are already in circle wave 4. And from here, we then have a chance to move higher in one more high, okay? But as long as we're holding 66 cents, the wave count doesn't change. Below 66, I have to change the wave count and have to expect we're getting into a much more drawn out correction. Support will then be a little lower, between 62.3 and 56.5 cents. But below 56.5, I haven't got anything clearly bullish, I'm afraid. Yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.